हेलो एवरीवन। तो क्वेश्चन हमारा है अरेंज द फॉलोइंग अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स। ठीक है, सीक्वेंस में हमें लगाना है इवेंट्स को। तो फर्स्ट हमारा है CR फॉर्मूला। ठीक है, CR फॉर्मूला। नेक्स्ट है कैबिनेट मिशन, फिर है गांधी जिन्ना डायलॉग और फिर वेवल प्लान है। ठीक है, तो देखिए इसमें पहला है CR फॉर्मूला, फिर है हमारा गांधी जिन्ना डायलॉग और फिर फोर्थ है वेवल प्लान 1945 और कैबिनेट मिशन 1946। ठीक है, तो CR फॉर्मूला 1944, CR फॉर्मूला 1944, गांधी जिन्ना डायलॉग जो होता है वो भी 1944 में होता है, बट सितंबर 1944 में होता है। CR फॉर्मूला मार्च 1954 में होता है। गांधी जिन्ना डायलॉग सितंबर 1944। वेवल प्लान इज June 1945 and cabinet mission is the declaration in February 1946 which arrived in India in March 1946. So जो current sequence हमारा होगा वो sequence है 1, 3, 4 and 2. ठीक है, next question is match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer by using code given below. ठीक है, list 1 है, list 2 है, events है and years. ठीक है, first I will read the list 1. A is non-cooperation movement, B is civil disobedience movement, C is formation of Congress ministries and D is Quit India movement. ठीक है, non-cooperation movement started 1920, civil disobedience 1930, formation of Congress ministries 1937 and Quit India movement 1942. ठीक है, और 4, 3, 2, 1 will be the correct sequence. Non-cooperation movement 1920-22, civil disobedience movement 1930-31, and again 1932-34, formation of Congress ministries 1937 and Quit India movement was started in 1942. ठीक है, next match the list 1 and list 2 and select the correct answer by the code using the code below. List 1 and list 2. I will separately read each of the list. List 1 is Madan Mohan Malviya A, B is Motilal Nehru, C is Mr. Annie Besant and Miss Annie Besant and D is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. List 2 is formation of Home Rule League, launched Servant India Society, founder of Banaras Hindu University and D is and 4 is the established Swaraj Party with others. ठीक है, तो Madan Mohan Malviya is related to is the founder of the Banaras Hindu University. Motilal Nehru established Swaraj Party with others. ठीक है, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. Annie Besant, founder of Home Rule League and the Gopal Krishna Gokhale launched Servants of Indian Society. तो A will be the correct answer. 3, 4, 1, 2 will be the correct code. ठीक है, you can read here. Madan Mohan Malviya, founder of Banaras Hindu University. Motilal Nehru, founder of Swaraj Party with the other people, 1923, and Annie Besant, founder of the Home Rule League, 1916. Gopal Krishna Gokhale established established Servants of Indian Society 1905. ठीक है, तो Servants of Indian Society 1905, Home Rule 1916, Swaraj Party 1923 and Banaras Hindu University by Madan Mohan Malviya. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? गदर पार्टी लाला लाजपत राय, तो इट इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. गदर पार्टी लाला लाजपत राय नहीं है. गदर पार्टी इज फॉर्म बाय द सोहन सिंह भाकना. ठीक है, सोहन सिंह भाकना. फ्रंटियर गांधी अब्दुल गफ्फार खान, इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी, सुभाष चंद्र बोस एंड फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Gadar party was formed by the Sohan Singh Bhakna and Lala Hardayal in San Francisco. It is very very important. Gadar party was founded by Sohan Singh Bhakna. By whom? Sohan Singh Bhakna and Lala Hardayal. ठीक है, तो you have to remember or learn the two names Sohan Singh Bhakna and Lala Hardayal in San Francisco, America in 1913. So the year is also very important, 1913. So Gadar party is founded in 1913. Thus the option A is correct. Consider the following events during the India's freedom struggle. 1 is Chauri Chaura outrage. 2 is Chauri Chaura 1922 or Morley Minto reform 1909. Montego Chelmsford 1919, but Morley Minto 1909. Dandi March 1930 and Montego Chelmsford 1919. Okay, so the correct chronology: Morley Minto reform 1909, Montego Chelmsford 1919, Chauri Chaura 1922 and Dandi March 1930. Dandi March 1930. And now you have to match the list 1 and list 2. List 1 is Council of India at 1909. 1909. Okay, it was Lord Minto. ठीक है. 19 Government of India Act 1935. 1935 Provincial Autonomy. Lucknow Pact 1916 and Government of India Act 1919 beginning of diarchy system. So D will be the correct answer. Government of India Act 1919 was passed by the Secretary of State for India, John Morley, and the Viceroy of India, then Lord Minto, is known as the Morley-Minto reform. The provincial autonomy was provided by the Government of India Act 1935. Provincial autonomy was provided by the Government of India Act 1935. Central autonomy was not there, but provincial autonomy was provided, and a diarchy system in provinces came from the Government of India Act 1919. Diarchy started in provinces by the Act of 1919 or Montagu-Chelmsford reform. While Lucknow Pact or League Pact, it is known as the Lucknow Pact or it is also known as the League Pact, ठीक है, was finalized in 1916 by the virtue efforts of Annie Besant and Tilak. By the true efforts of the Annie Besant and Tilak, then option D is correctly matched. Next is 152nd question. Find the correct chronological order of the following events from the given code given below. ठीक है. First is Civil Disobedience Movement 1930, Individual Satyagrah, Quit India Movement and Cripps Mission. Let's see. First is the Civil Disobedience Movement 1930-31. 1930-31 or Individual Satyagrah was launched in 1940. And who was the first Satyagrahi? Who was the first individual Satyagrahi? On Cripps Mission March-April 1942 and Quit India Movement 1942. Next question is consider the following sequence: Cabinet Mission, Simon Commission, Cripps Mission and Pune Pact. So correct chronological order: Simon Commission 1928. It reached in India in February 1928, and Pune Pact September 1932, Cripps Mission March 1942, and Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Movement or Satyagrah and the person activity associated with. ठीक है. First is Champaran, second is Ahmedabad Mill Works, and third is Kheda. Champaran Vallabh Bhai Patel Kheda, Champaran Rajendra Prasad, Ahmedabad Mill Morarji Desai, I think. Okay, which is correctly matched? So it is 1 and 3. B is wrong. 2 is wrong. Champaran Rajendra Prasad and Kheda Vallabh Bhai Patel, but Ahmedabad Mill Workers Morarji Desai, it is not correct. Mahatma Gandhi managed many successful movements Satyagrah with his affiliates against the British rule. Gandhi did Champaran Satyagrah 1917 with Rajendra Prasad, G. V. Kripalani and others. So statement 1 is true. Gandhi had organized Ahmedabad Mill Workers Satyagrah with the association of the Anusuya Bain, not the Morarji Desai. So Ahmedabad Mill Workers Satyagrah was done by organized by Gandhiji with the help of the Anusuya Bain. It was not Morarji Desai. So it is wrong answer. So statement 2 is wrong. And the Kheda Satyagrah was launched by the Gandhiji with the Indulal Yagnik. Kheda Satyagrah was launched by Gandhiji with the help of Indulal Yagnik and Vallabh Bhai Patel. So statement 3 is correct. Arrange the following events in chronological order: Dandi March, Shimla Pact, death of Tilak, Champaran Satyagrah 17, death of Tilak 20, Dandi March 30. ठीक है. So 45 I think Shimla Pact. Okay. The correct sequence will be Champaran Satyagrah. This was the first peasant Satyagrah led by the Gandhi. In 1917, this movement was the symbol of protest of farmers' miserable conditions. Death of Tilak, 1st August 1920, and Civil Disobedience Movement. Gandhiji began his historic Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram 12th March 1930 for what? He reached 6th April there. ठीक है, for 11 point demands with 78 associates, ठीक है, with 11 point demands with 78 associates. Shimla Pact was held 25th June 1945, 25th June 1945 for the resolution over the Webel offer in Shimla, ठीक है, for the discussion over Webel offer in Shimla. Okay, 1945. Next is arrange the following in chronological order and select the correct answer from the code given below. First is Dandi March, second is Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, third is Quit India Movement, and fourth is Swadeshi Movement. Okay, so your answer will be 4, means Swadeshi Movement. Swadeshi Movement 1905, Quit India Movement 1942, Jallianwala 1919, and Dandi 1930. So your answer will be 4 Swadeshi Movement, 2 Jallianwala Bagh, then 1 Dandi 1919, and Dandi March 19. Okay, let's see. Swadeshi Movement 1905, Jallianwala Massacre 30th April 1919, and Dandi 1930, 12 March 1930, and Quit India Movement August 1942. Next is select the correct chronological order. One is Pune Pact 1932, Quit India Movement 1942, Cabinet Mission 1946, Simla Conference 1945. So answer will be 1, 2, 4, 3. Pune Pact 1932, 1, 2. Quit India Movement 1942, 4. Shimla Conference 1945, and Cabinet Mission is 1940. Cabinet Mission 1944. Okay. In 1932, Pune Pact was signed after the intervention of the senior leaders. 1932, Pune Pact was signed after the intervention of senior leaders. According to the term, total 148. So, how many seats were there? 148 seats were reserved for the untouchables, but joint electoral system was introduced to choose their candidates. Quit India movement started for 9th August 1942. Viceroy invited Indian leaders 25 June 1945 to discuss on Webel offer. So Viceroy invited Indian leaders 25 June 1945 to for the discussion on Webel offer. Cabinet mission arrived India on 24th March. Cabinet mission arrived India on 24th March 1945 and discussed with the various political parties and official government. For first time, Jinnah realized that the British government is ready to transfer the power without his consent. On 16 1946, mission published its proposal. So it will be the correct answer. Cabinet mission and Simla Conference. Next is arrange the following events in their chronological order and select the correct answer by using the codes given at the end. First is discussion for the partition of Bengal. First is what? Discussion for the partition of Bengal. Acceptance of the Swaraj as the goal of Swaraj as the goal of Congress. So it is 1905 and 1929. Formal declaration of Swadeshi movement 1915. Sorry, 1905 to 1904-5. Okay, the answer will be A. Okay, and Surat split also is there 1907. So 1905, then 7. No, 134-2. 134 123 1324. Okay. Okay, we will see the explanation. The partition of Bengal was declared on July 1905. The official declaration of Swadeshi movement was announced 7th August 1905. At the conference held in Town Hall, Calcutta, Indian National Congress took a positive step in Calcutta session regarding the national movement. In this presidential speech, Dadabhai Naoroji said that the main aim of the Indian National Congress was to establish own government just like Britain and its dominion. It means that establishment of self-government was adopted as the main aim of Indian National Congress. 1907, the during the Surat session, there was a split in INC on the issue of the Swadeshi. So 1907, the Surat session, there was a split in the Congress. So it was the question is not talking about 1929, but it is the Calcutta session, which is presided over by the Dadabhai Naoroji, and there the main aim of the Congress was to establish a government just like Britain as its dominion. Next question is consider assertion and reason. Nehru had no reverence towards the Upanishad, and the reason is he has a scientific point of view. So A is false, but R is true. He has the scientific point of view, but Upanishad are the philosophical and the scientific analysis of the Vedic literature. Nehru considered Upanishad as the relevant text and had great faith in it. Nehru is considered as the father of the science in modern India. Nehru accepted the science as an important tool for the socio-economic development. Thus, assertion is wrong and reason is true. Who said imperialism is dead and dodo? So it is said by the Clement Attlee. British Prime Minister after Second World War, Clement Attlee, said that imperialism is dead and dodo. Dodo means an extinct bird. Dodo is an extinct word. So he said that this imperialism is dead and dodo. Okay. Next question is, who said there is a revolution taking place and we should move quickly? So it is said by the Sir Stanford Cripps. Sir Stanford Cripps. This statement belongs to the Sir Stanford Cripps, and he understood that there is a atmosphere of revolution in India, and he warned the people, he warned the Englishmen to move from the India. He was the head of the Cripps mission 1942, and also a member of the cabinet mission 1946. So next question is, in which city the first atomic bomb was exploded? Hiroshima. A is Hiroshima, B is Kabul, C is Lisbon, and D is Rome. So it is Hiroshima. Option 1 A is correct. The first atomic bomb was exploded on August 6, 1945. So this is important. August 6, 1945, during the World War II on Hiroshima city of Japan. After that, the second atomic bomb was exploded on Nagasaki. So Hiroshima and Nagasaki were the cities which were attacked by the atomic bombs. City of the Japan on August 9. So it is known as the Big Fat, I think. August 6, 1945 at Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 9th August 1945. As a result, the two blasts, Japan surrendered in front of the United Powers in August 1945. So who attacked? So it was attacked by America. Okay. Next is the French Revolution started. So French Revolution started in 1789. French Revolution began in 1789. Resolution of the middle class people was against the feudalism, class privilege, and the autocracy, and incompetent monarchy. So it was against the incompetent monarchy. Monarchy was incompetent monarchy and the privileged and autocracy. Okay. So I will okay. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद का जो नेक्स्ट है, आई विल स्टार्ट इन द अनदर वीडियो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.